This is Skittles. To play, you need this crazy weird wooden box-like game board. You also need a lot of room to store it and a patient family to put up with it. But if you have it, it's incredibly fun, and it comes out quite often. The object is to knock over pins with your spinner. Pins represent different values. At the end of your turn, you count up your values and compete with other people to have the highest value at the end of the game. To set up, place wooden pins or Skittles in the designated circular markers on the board, like this and this. Next, you wind up your custom spinning top. Most players will have their favorite top and string combo. And believe me, no two players ever agree on the same setup. Once your top is wound up, put it in the starting slot on the board. With the string hanging out, hold the top of your spinner with your finger, and then quickly pull your ripcord. If you did it right, the top will stay upright and go after those pins. Your turn goes on until your spinner falls and stops spinning. Even during its collision though, it can hit other pins, and those count for you. Different pins have different values in different zones. The Skittles in this zone are worth 5 points. The Skittles in this zone are worth 10 points each. And in the furthest back and thus hardest to hit spots, 50s on the edges, and 100 points for the hardest to reach furthest one. But beware, there are two Skittles that are very close to the starting point, and each are worth negative 10 points. So make sure to try to launch your spinner straight. Get it away from those as soon as possible. After your spinner has stopped spinning and flailing around, count all of your knocked over pins and add up the score or subtract the score. Your turn is now over, reset the pins, and let the next player play. Play for as many rounds as you'd like, or just play for fun. It's a simple game that uses no electronics or batteries. If you've got the storage, I definitely recommend getting one of these.